Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing your Snapchat conversations. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Firstly, open up Snapchat, and then if you just want to clear one conversation, you can tap on the Chats tab at the bottom of the camera screen to open up your chats. Hold down on the chat that you would like to clear. Tap More from the menu that appears, and then tap on Clear Conversation. Tap Clear on the pop-up, and that conversation will be removed from your chats. Now, if you would like to clear multiple conversations, that method would be quite time-consuming. So what you want to do is tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the page. Then tap on the settings cog in the top right corner. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page, and under the Account Actions heading, tap on Clear Conversations. Here is a list of all the conversations you have open. To clear a conversation, simply tap the X to the right of it and then tap Clear on the pop-up. There is not a button to clear all of your conversations at once, but using this method is quite quick and easy. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.